Hello, this is an in-depth guide on how to install FiveM's latest FXServer on a completely fresh Linux installation. Please follow each step carefully. Let's start. First, let's make sure the Linux system is up to date. Copy this command below. Remember, use right-click to paste on the Linux terminal, not Ctrl and V. Alright, following along exactly, we're going to try to stay in the same directory, so that there is no confusion. First, type cd space tilde symbol. That will take you to your root directory. Next, let's navigate to the place where we're going to install the server. The home directory where the server will be stored. Now, navigate here, and copy the URL to the latest version of FiveM Linux server. The latest version will be marked as blue icon, simply right-click on it, and copy the URL. Next, you will want to download the latest version of FiveM server, from that link using wget command. Type wget space, and paste the URL using the right-click. We're gonna want to make this all neat, and stuff, so let's create a directory to store the server. Then, FXServer data. Alright, so next, we are gonna unpack this file. And that'll unpack the FXServer binaries for you. Next we need to grab the resources, and whatnot. Let's navigate back to our main folder. You can grab the resources by copy the following command. You're nearly finished. Let's get into that FXServer data folder, by typing this command. And now, we need to create our very own server.cfg, do so by typing nano. Also, the context of this is on the description point 113. After you grab that large chunk of text, you will want to press the keys Ctrl and O, which will write out of the file, and will prompt you to enter a name. You need to name this file as server.cfg. Follow up by pressing enter, and using the command Ctrl+X. Now, let's install screen, so we can close the terminal without terminating the server. Then, type screen. Now, press the space bar. Okay. It's ready. Now let's start the server. First, type this command. And type this command after that. This command is a command to start the server. Now, if you have this error, make sure you have the license for FiveM server, from Keymaster. First, go to keymaster.fivem.net. Then, click Sign In. Now, you can sign in with a FiveM Forum account, Google account, or Patreon account. Then, after you sign in, click Register. For the display name, just fill it whatever you want, it's not affect anything. For the IP, put your server IP or just put any random IP, it's affect nothing, since it's not an IP lock. For the server type, choose VPS with details none, or the server provider name. Now, click Generate. Now, click on the blue text. Then, click Copy. Now, let's head back to the terminal. Then type this command. Then, Let's open the server.cfg file, using this nano command. Now, type this on the very bottom of the line, and paste your license key there. Then, press Ctrl+X. And press Y. Now, press Enter. It's ready. Let's start the server again, with this command. The server is running now. To safely close the terminal without terminating, press Ctrl+A. Then Ctrl+D. Now, you can safely close the terminal. To see the server screen again, type this command. That's it. This is how to build your own FiveM server on Linux. Thank you for watching. See you!